Today we are going to test an 18-watt fast charging charger for a smartphone. This is a Oppo Reno4 Z 5G, which has a 4000 mAh battery and a 18-watt charger with a USB connection. And let's see exactly how long it takes to charge the smartphone battery completely. I will count the time and check the battery percentage over time until it reaches 100% to see exactly how long it takes and if the charging has a linear growth. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Right now I have the battery at 2% and I'm going to charge and time it to see how long it takes to reach 100%. It is expected that the initial charge should be fast, then it will charge slower the closer it gets to 100% battery. Let's start by plugging it on the power. Now plug the USB connection and let's connect to the smartphone. One smartphone is to be charged and the other smartphone is to count the time. So let's check the percentage is at 2% and let's turn off the smartphone. Let's shut down and now let's connect the USB-C and wait until it starts charging. To start counting right now, 2% at time 0. Now let's check the progress every 5 or 10 minutes. So 5 minutes later we have 8%. So we charge 6% in around 6 minutes. At the minute 10 we have 13%. Let's add this to the table and continue the test. Now at the minute 20 we have, let's see, we have 23%. So we are charging more than 1% every minute. Let's wait just a bit. Now at the minute 30, let's check, and 34%. We charge 32% since the beginning of this test in 30 minutes. Now at the minute 40, let's see, 46%. We are charging more than 1% every minute. So it's a linear growth so far. Now at the minute 50, let's check the percentage and we have 58%, still 1% more than 1% every minute. Now at our charging 60 minutes later we have 70%. So in 1 hour we charge 68%. It's a very good charging speed for a 18-watt charger. Now let's see at 1 hour and 10 minutes. Let's check the percentage and we have 80%. We are at 80%. This is the recommended percentage you should charge your phone. But we'll continue the test until we reach 100%. At 1 hour and 20 minutes, we are at, let's see, 88%. Let's add this value to the table, so later we can analyze all the data, but we can see that the charging is getting a little bit slower. Let's see at 1 hour and 25 minutes. The percentage is 91%, so we only charge 3% in the last 5 minutes. It's getting slower, lower than 1% every minute. Let's see at 1 hour and 30 minutes, so 90 minutes later, we are at 93%. In the last 5 minutes, we only charge 2%. At 1 hour and 35 minutes, we are at 95%. Again, only 2% in the last 5 minutes. It's getting slower and slower compared to the same time we were charging at the beginning. Now at 1 hour and 40 minutes, 100 minutes later, we are at 96%. So we are getting closer to 100%, and the charging speed is getting even slower. At 1 hour and 45%, we are at 97%. So in the last 5 minutes, we only charge 1%, 1 single percent in 5 minutes. Now let's see at 1 hour and 50 minutes, we are at 98%. Again, in 5 minutes of charging, we only charge 1%. And at the beginning, we're charging 1% every minute. At 1 hour and 55%, we are at 99%, almost at 100%. And we reached 2 hours, 120 minutes, we are still at 99%. So, in the last 5 minutes, we charged less than 1%. Let's see, at the finish line, we are at 100% of battery, and it took, let's see, 2 hours, 5 minutes and 36 seconds to charge a 40,000 milliampere battery from 2% to 100%, 2 hours and 5 minutes. Now let's create a graphic with all the data and analyze the growth of the charging of the battery. And this is the result of the data we collect. So we can see from the 0 minutes up to around 90 minutes, that corresponds to 80 to 90%, the growth of the charging of the battery was linear, almost like a straight line. And from 80 minutes, around 80% to 100%, it was a curve, getting lower and lower the closer we get to 100%. So this is the conclusion, proving that you will charge your smartphone very fast up to 85%, but to charge the last 15% could take up to 1 hour just to reach 100% of battery. I hope you like this test and help you choose a fast charging charger for your smartphone. Now consider subscribing to the channel because I post new videos every week. Hit the like button if you like this test, and if you have any comment or question, write it on the comments because I read and answer to every comment.